Hello students, I welcome all of you to today's class. I want to teach you how to greet in Yoruba. In English language we have morning, afternoon, evening and night, isn't it? So we also have it in Yoruba language. So Yoruba love to greet a lot, and in Yoruba language, if you pass somebody by and you didn't say hello, it means the person is not well cultured. So in Yoruba, they are well cultured, and people also love to be cultured. People love to greet. Yoruba people love to greet one another. So morning means haro, afternoon means ọ̀sán, evening means ìrọ̀lẹ́, night means alẹ́. Let me say it again. Morning, it means what? Àárọ̀ in Yoruba. Afternoon means ọ̀sán in Yoruba. Evening means ìrọ̀lẹ́ in Yoruba. And night means alẹ́. So let's join in together now. So we can say in Yoruba, if you want to greet, how are you? It means I am fine. Do you understand? It means I am fine. So if you want to say ẹ káàárọ̀, if you want to say ẹ káàárọ̀, what are you going to say? Ẹ káàárọ̀ means good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So ẹ káàárọ̀ means what? Good morning. Ẹ káàsán means good afternoon. Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ means good evening. Ẹ káalẹ́, it means what? Good night. Do you understand? Do you understand? Do you understand? So I'm teaching you how to greet in Yoruba. So let me come again. Good morning means ẹ káàárọ̀. Good afternoon means ẹ káàsán. Good evening means ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́. Good night means ẹ káalẹ́. Now, if you want to ask somebody how are they doing, I taught you say what? Báwo ni, it means how are you. So when you meet your friend, ask your friend báwo ni. When it is your brother too, maybe your sibling as well, you can say how are you. The person, so in Yoruba it means báwo ni. So the person you are going to reply dáadáa ni. So let's go. I'm not going to say in English now. You're going to tell me by yourself báwo ni. You're going to reply dáadáa ni, ẹ ṣé. You understand? So if you're asking your friend, your question is báwo ni, it means how are you. So your friend is going to reply dáadáa ni, it means I am fine. Then he's going to reply as well that the person appreciates your gesture. So you're going to say ẹ ṣé, thank you. You understand? So ẹ ṣé means thank you. Báwo ni, dáadáa ni, ẹ ṣé. Báwo ni, dáadáa ni, ẹ ṣé. Báwo ni, dáadáa ni, ẹ ṣé. So I hope you are enjoying today's class. So don't forget, I said Yoruba love to greet themselves so much. When you greet somebody, it shows that you respect them and it shows that you are a true Yoruba person. Do you understand? So how are you means báwo ni, dáadáa ni. That is going to be the reply. Then you are going to say ẹ ṣé. It means thank you. So, and when it is the day, if you want to greet according to the day, according to the year, day, so you kind of say what? You kind of say good morning. Good morning means ẹ káàárọ̀. Good afternoon means ẹ káàsán. Good evening, it means ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́. Then good night, it means ẹ kú alẹ́. Ẹ kú alẹ́, ẹ kú alẹ́, ẹ kú alẹ́. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́, ẹ káalẹ́. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́, ẹ kú alẹ́. Thank you so much. Until we meet next time, my name is Alex. You can call me Crystal Pen. Alright, bye bye.